Hello world, great to see you here. Welcome to my Learn It Here YouTube channel. In this channel you will be able to learn video editing in After Effects, Premiere Pro, Blender, Kine Master and some tech stuff. Alright, today we are going to make this video.
Now click on your browser. Now type in Mega and search it. Now a logo similar to the one you see in my screen, click on it. It takes you to the official page of Mega website. Click on Accept Cookies. Now click on the Create Account button on the top right corner of the site, enter your name, mail ID and type in a strong password if you store important files in these cloud storage. I just fast forward it. Basically they are best in class and trustworthy cloud service providers. Nothing to be worried. After filling out the details, a verification mail will be sent to your account. Just jump into the Gmail and click the Verify My Email button to validate your account. Now you will be redirected to the Mega website. There you will be asked enter your password of the Mega account. Then click Confirm your account. That's it, you have create a Mega account. Search for Get Started for free option. Now click on the download key. It's the recovery key used to reset your password once you lost it. Finally everything is done. Basically you get 50 gigabytes of storage. You can increase it by clicking on the menu options on the top right corner. Then click on your account name in You will be taken to Profile. There you can notice that storage can be increased by just verifying your PHN number. Enter your birth date and verify your phone number by clicking on Add Number button. You will be sent a OTP to get verified. Enter it and click on the Confirm button. It gives extra 20 gigabytes and 40 gigabytes transfer quota. Yeah, you got your free storage completely for free of cost. Now you can check the total storage showing in your profile and dashboard. Now you can create few more of these Mega accounts and get unlimited cloud storage for completely for free.
Hope all enjoyed the video. All my content are 100% authentic and safe. Consider me giving a thumbs up to this video, which will help my video to rank up in the YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more new contents, and also check out my blog using the link in the description. Thank you.